Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to start by confirming two essentials. Your iPhone has recent iOS and enough storage, then enable screen recording in Control Center. Once done, swipe to open Control Center and long press the record button to reveal audio options. Make sure microphone audio shows off or on. You want on for external sound and off for internal only. This first step sets the recording source so you capture the audio you expect. Don't tap record yet. Keep going to set levels. Now focus on the how and why of source selection. When the microphone audio icon is on, you capture live mic sound. When off, you capture app/system audio only. If you need internal app audio, connect headphones or use speaker depending on app restrictions. Make a quick 5 to 10 second test recording to verify levels. Play it back from the Photos app. If it's quiet or missing, make adjustments. Increase volume, move closer to the mic, or switch headphones before the full capture. Record your full clip using the verified settings. During recording, keep volume up and avoid covering the microphone. Once finished, review audio immediately. If audio is absent, reboot your iPhone and toggle screen recording off and on in Control Center. This resets the service quickly. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Silent Mode isn't muting the app. As a final step, if problems persist, reset all settings in Settings General Reset. That often clears configuration issues while keeping data intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.